Hi, this is Rich Marty from DT Media Group. Today we're going to show you how to insert an image into a poster page of your WordPress site. So first thing we're going to do is log into your dashboard, and in this case we've already had a post already written. So I'm going to browse over to Posts and All Posts and find that post and edit it. Now the first thing I'm going to tell you about that there's two separate tabs over to the right, a visual tab and a text tab. Visual tab is sort of a visual editor. It'll give you an idea of what the post looks like. It's not always exactly right. And the tab on the right is text. This is the HTML code for the post. Today we're going to be working in the visual tab, and we're going to move our cursor over to the position that we want to insert the image. Now, images inserted into posts and pages, the location is pretty much a general location. You can either have the image centered with no text wrap around it. You can have the image to the left side of the post with text wrapped around the right side, or you can have it on the right side of the post with text wrapped around the left. I'm going to try to insert that post just to the left of the initial text, and click the Add Media button just above it. And there's a couple different ways that we can insert the image. We can select it from the media library, a collection of the images that have already been uploaded. Or we can actually upload the file directly. So we're going to do that, and it gives the option to select the post. We're going to browse or select the image. I'm going to browse to the image, select it, and hit OK or Open. And that will upload the image into your media library. When you're done uploading, over on the right hand side you can give it a title, and these fields are kind of important for SEO because search engines can't actually see the image, but they can read the text that's attached to it. I'm going to leave that blank for the moment. I'm going to select the alignment as we just talked about, either left, center, or right. This one's going to be left. We can choose to have the image linked to itself so that the people, if they click on it, can see a larger version of the image. Or we can actually put a URL, so if people click the image, it will bring them to a separate page or post on your site. Size, on the size of the image, you have the option of having it full size, a little thumbnail version, a medium version, or a large version. Generally, blogs are about 600 pixels wide, so that'll give you a sense of reference when you're inserting the image. If you insert it as a large image at 450 pixels, it's pretty much going to take up the whole post. So we're going to insert this at 225. You'll also have the option of changing the size after it's in the post. So the last thing we're going to do is insert the image into the post. And if we're lucky, it'll show up. So there we go. On this particular blog, there's zero padding or margin on the side of the image, so the text sort of bumps right up to it. We can click on that image once. It'll bring up the option to either delete the image or edit it by hitting this button here. We're going to edit it. Here we have the choice of, again, where it's going to be positioned on the page, all that other information that we talked about, the link URL, the caption, the title. I'm going to actually leave it at the size that it is, so 100%. I'm going to click on Advanced Settings, and in here it'll give us the option of having vertical space and horizontal space around that image. I'm going to set that to 10 pixels. And then when I'm done, I'm going to hit Update. Now you notice that it moved it down 10 pixels and moved the text away from it about 10 pixels. Also did some funny things with the text down below just because of the positioning. In this case, I can actually go into the text of that, or the HTML editor, and locate that part of the text that I wanted to move. And it's right here, Oreo cake. I'm actually going to put a P tag for a paragraph tag after the Oreo cake. close the tag with a /p, and I am going to save as a draft and preview the post. So that'll give you an idea of what that post looks like with that image. So that's a little bit of information about how to insert an image into a post. If you have any questions, you can email me at rich@dtmediagroup, and I'd be happy to answer them. Thank you so much.